Top 5 General Dropshipping Suppliers. If you're looking for suppliers that offer a wide range of products, General Dropshipping Suppliers are the way to go. These suppliers cater to various niches, from fashion and electronics to home decor and beauty, making them perfect for anyone starting or expanding their dropshipping business. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 general dropshipping suppliers to help you find the perfect partner for your store. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best general dropshipping suppliers. These suppliers are perfect for beginners and experienced sellers alike, offering diverse product catalogs, easy integrations, and global shipping options to suit any niche. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss our tips, strategies, and supplier reviews. Let's dive right in. At number 5, Alibaba. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Alibaba, a global wholesale platform known for its vast product range and low prices. What they offer. Alibaba connects you directly with manufacturers, offering millions of products across categories like electronics, fashion, beauty, and home goods. Why it's great for dropshipping. With affordable bulk pricing and customization options like private labeling, Alibaba is perfect for building your own brand. Global reach. They have suppliers worldwide, ensuring you can cater to customers in multiple markets. If affordability and product variety are what you need, Alibaba is a fantastic option for your dropshipping business. At number 4, Spocket. Coming in at number 4 is Spocket, a platform specializing in premium products from suppliers in the US, Europe, and beyond. What they offer. Spocket's product catalog includes everything from fashion and accessories to home decor and beauty products. Why it's great for dropshipping. Spocket integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix, automating inventory management and order fulfillment. Fast shipping. With many suppliers based in North America and Europe, Spocket ensures faster delivery times, helping you improve customer satisfaction. If you're looking for premium products and reliable shipping, Spocket is an excellent general dropshipping supplier. At number 3, CJ Dropshipping. Next up at number 3 is CJ Dropshipping, a versatile platform with a massive product catalog and global warehouses. What they offer. CJ Dropshipping provides products across all major categories, including electronics, clothing, beauty, and home goods. They also offer customization options, like private labeling. Why it's great for dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping integrates with major platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and eBay, automating product imports, inventory syncing, and order processing. Global fulfillment. With warehouses in the US, Europe, and Asia, CJ Dropshipping ensures fast and reliable shipping. If you're looking for a supplier with diverse products and global reach, CJ Dropshipping is a top-tier choice. At number 2, AliExpress. Coming in at number 2 is AliExpress, a go-to platform for dropshipping beginners and experts alike. What they offer. AliExpress connects you with thousands of suppliers, offering millions of products at competitive prices, from gadgets and fashion to home goods and beauty. Why it's perfect for general dropshipping. AliExpress offers low minimum order quantities, making it easy to test new products before committing. Automation tools. With tools like de-essers and Oberlo, you can easily integrate AliExpress with your store, automating product imports and order fulfillment. If you want affordability, variety, and beginner-friendly options, AliExpress is an unbeatable choice for general dropshipping. At number 1, Wholesale 2B. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Wholesale 2B, a comprehensive platform for finding general dropshipping products. What they offer. Wholesale 2B features over 1 million products across various categories, including fashion, electronics, toys, home goods, and more. Why it's the best for general dropshipping. Their platform connects you to multiple suppliers and automates product imports, inventory updates, and order fulfillment. Wide compatibility. Wholesale 2B integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, eBay, Amazon, and WooCommerce, making it a flexible option for any store. If you want a one-stop shop for sourcing, automation, and supplier variety, Wholesale 2B is the ultimate general dropshipping supplier. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the top 5 general dropshipping suppliers. Let's quickly recap the list. Wholesale 2B, best overall for supplier variety, automation, and e-commerce platform compatibility. AliExpress, ideal for beginners with its low-cost, wide-ranging products. CJ Dropshipping, great for global shipping and diverse product options. Spocket, perfect for premium products with fast delivery. Alibaba, a versatile option for affordable private label products. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more supplier recommendations and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.